Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall study about the fourth components of food, that is vitamins. In this topic, the vitamins are chemical substances. Vitamins are chemical substances. Vitamins are chemical substances. Vitamins are chemical substances which help to maintain a healthy body. Vitamins are chemical substances which help to our body, which help to our body, which help to our body. Vitamins are chemical substances which help to our body. They are required by our body in very small quantities. They are required in our body in very small quantities. Vitamins are also classified as on the basis of their solubility, classified in two groups, that is fat soluble vitamins and another one is water soluble vitamins. Classification of vitamins. Classification of vitamins on the basis of their solubility, that is, first is fat soluble vitamin, fat soluble vitamins, and another one is water soluble vitamins. There are two basic classification on the basis of their solubility: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. The vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are known as fat soluble vitamins. The vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are fat soluble vitamins. Now second is water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamins. There are two basic classification of vitamins on the basis of their solubility, that is water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Now let us study about importance of vitamins. Importance of vitamins. Vitamins come under protective foods. It is a protective food. It is a protective food. Protective food. Vitamins are protective food, so it protect our body to healthy. It prevent diseases. It prevent diseases. It means that it protective food, it prevent diseases. It means vitamins help to protect our body, to prevent our body. Some vitamins are also help in our eyes, teeth, gums and bones to healthy. It is a protective food, it prevent diseases. Some vitamins are helpful to our eyes, our bones, our teeth, etc. Now I am going to teach you sources of vitamins. Sources of vitamins. There are some sources of vitamins are dry fruits, milk, eggs, dry fruits, green and yellow vegetables, green and yellow vegetables, green and yellow vegetables. There are main sources of vitamins: milk, egg, dry fruits, green and yellow vegetables, fruits, also meat, fruits. There are sources of vitamins which you needed. On the next video we shall study about the classification of vitamins, that is first water soluble vitamins and second first is fat soluble vitamins and second is water soluble vitamin. In this fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, and water soluble vitamins are vitamin C and vitamin B also. So in the next video we shall study about these vitamins. Thank you so much.